Prepare to be memorized by the breathtaking beauty of the Colosseum, Vatican City, and Rome's churches. It's a spiritual journey you won't forget. Welcome to Travel with the Hales. The Colosseum stands as a symbol of grandeur of ancient Rome and its significance in shaping the culture of time. From gladiator contests to performances, this amphitheater witnessed it all. Colosseum legacy echoes throughout the ages, reminding us of the glory and the brutality of ancient Rome. Did you know that Rome is home to some of the most stunning churches in the world? It has its own unique history and architectural beauty. The churches offer a glimpse into the city's rich cultural heritage and artistic legacy, a must-see when you're in Rome. One of the greatest civilizations in history of mankind, Rome started out as a city-state and grew to become one of the largest empires in the world, with a huge impact on Western civilization. Only a small amount of ancient Rome is left today. Experts say about 10%. Much of it was destroyed over time, and what remains is in ruins. The remaining 90% is said to be buried deep inside the earth, around 30 feet below the street level today. However, there's still some great examples of Roman architecture and ruins to be seen in Rome. While there are many temples built throughout Rome Empire, none of them continually in service for the last 2,000 years. The Parthenon has stood the test of time, becoming a national monument in Rome. It's a must-see for a first-time visitor to Rome. Trevi Fountain is made from the same material as in the Colosseum. It stands about 85 feet tall, or 26 meters, and almost 65 feet wide, or 20 meters. Here we are getting ready to go to the Vatican. Here's a travel tip for you. There is a long line, as you can see here. So save your money, spend a little extra, and get the private tour. You will walk right past that long line and enter the Vatican within minutes. Vatican City is a World Heritage Site, and it's the smallest independent nation-state, covering about 100 acres within Rome. It's the smallest country in the world with a population of about 825 people. The Swiss Guard is responsible for protecting the Pope. They were first hired in 1506 by Pope Julius II, who needed personal protection from the enemies of the Church. They are easily recognizable in their colorful striped uniforms. Not just anyone can join the Swiss Guard. One has to be male, between the ages of 19 and 30 years old, and 5 foot 8 inches tall. They must be a Christian, and they must have completed basic military training. Thank you for watching. We would be very honored and thankful if you would like and subscribe to our channel, Travel with the Hales.